What's happening, YouTube? I was just wondering, this lower panel right here, has anybody replaced that? I know it's like a two-piece thing, and you probably could find it in black, but I was just rinsing this off, just wondering, has anybody found a company that does like the bumpers and you know, you're able to order them color matched? It would make it easier. I had the water going. I don't know if you could hear me, but I was talking about this lower panel at the bottom. I was wondering if anybody ever replaced that and found a company that has color matched already, so you could just pop the old one off and the old one on. And the new one on. It's kind of sagging a little bit. It got caught on the lift when they were doing some work, just slightly. I don't know which side is really. Well, this side is, you can kind of see it where it pulled down. I know some people be like, well, that's not even important. People really not looking at that. I'm like, well, I'm not those people. You know, I'm a car guy. I like my car looking good. But I don't know. I have to do some homework on that. I know there's another style that kind of will have a vent right here, and somebody actually did it. Put the one with the vent like a little slot and put a light, a neon light back there, which made it look real good. But I don't know, I'm not too much on lights, but I know there's not too many styles. There's just really those two styles that I've seen before. But let me know. Trying to keep the vibe alive on these models here. You know, I like to say I'm doing it pretty good. All right. You all know I couldn't finish it out. The video looking dull or whatever. You know I had to tighten it up, get all the shine on there. But that's a look. You can kind of see that it is hanging a little bit. I don't know when I'm gonna get to it, but I do want to do it. And this other side, it's kind of what and what. You can still see it. It's what and what, but I just want to do it. Eventually, one day, it'll be a totally complete car show ready in my eyes. It's not far from it. Not far from it. And just some other things that I want to do eventually. Maybe when the economy gets better, stocks get better. Yeah, these investments, boy, I tell you. Gotta get your money right before you do anything else. All right, y'all. I'm out on this one.